Hi everyone, so now I have Insta360 X3 and what I'm going to do is nobody dared to do yet. As you can see, this is new device. Still everything I'm going to remove. Let me first put the box on the side. Okay, so here is our device and I'm going to do torture test. I have some drill stuff here, scratch test, and maybe try some rough thing from this. So let's get started. Make it little more zoom. Okay, so here you can see everything, stickers and everything, just like a new. Let's remove it. Side is enough, that is the main. So yeah, first I want to show you its working device. Yeah, so it's complete new and working condition, as you can see. Can see the view outside balcony. So anyway, I'm going to close this. Okay, first thing, which one I take? I think just take in the middle one. I think this one will be okay. Not too big, not too small. Okay. I'm pressure hard, but it's really lens not work. I press hard, but I guess so far no scratches. Okay, let's see. Turn on and see if there's some scratch. Yeah, it's look clear, no scratches at all. Okay, so let me try again. Really smooth, and it really didn't work at all from my machine. You can see here, yeah, there's nothing happening at all. So yeah, it's almost passed. So now let's try scratches. Okay, you can see here, this is quite sharp blade. So far nothing. This is not Jerry everything rig style. Of course he's more wild and he's have more stuff, but so far, let me clean with the, yeah, it's very smooth. As you can see, there's no mark, and yeah, from my eyes I can't see any mark here. Wow. Okay, so now let's test. No, I don't think so. It's easily so. Actually, if normally is fall down, it's quite rough. I don't want to like a hammer test. Of course, it's gonna broke if I hard harder, but the purpose to show is not that delicate. That might be you was thinking like it's suddenly slightly touch anything hard. Like even this is metal, and I'm touching quite hard. Even the body also, as you can see, the body. There is no mark on the body. So far, there's no mark. There's no mark on the body. Let me clean first. I'm going to close this. I don't see any mark actually. Slightly, very slightly, I can see might be in the camera. Can't see what well, but they'll let me on some extra light. Okay. Now you can see there's no marks actually. Very slightly, but not much. So it's quite rough actually. The purpose to make it this kind simple small video because of might be many people thinking it's very delicate and many people want to buy the case or it's not that much even it's fall down one time like this anywhere it's not going to scratch even the lens is quite strong. So yeah, that's my test. And uh, yeah, and I will recommend you if you can have cap you can use it after actually the small pouch come together, so it's easily whenever you finish work you can just it's very easy to you can see it's very easy and very easy you can bring out smooth. And yeah, that stuff all, even the glass also quite strong I'm sure, but the main purpose the lens of course. This lens is very important because once it have even small scratch it will show in the video. So this is in my test I think there's no. And yeah, let's try some scratch here. Even I'm getting this cutter, even I'm getting harder, but really, yeah, there's no mark at all. There's really no mark at all. So the build quality is really nice, the weight, the quality. So yeah, I mean, I was thinking like when I bought it, I was thinking like I'm not going to use this one without even the case because it's quite not that expensive, but still like $400-500 only for camera. So I think it's quite, but actually it's really hard action camera, so you don't have to worry. You can use it without case even if you not hardly accident like if fall down from the bike or car. Of course, there is no comment about that. But so far, for minor fall down or little bit scratches, it can bear easily. As you can see, especially this drill it's really I mean if I make it hole anywhere of course it can do it, but I think because the corners the edges are very sharp, even I put it here in the side and I press harder even, but there's no scratches at all. So anyway, don't forget to thumbs up if you like. See you.